Have you ever seen the oil life indicator on your dash and wondered, how does the system calculate that oil life? When you look in your NC1 owner's manual for the oil service interval, you won't find much. That's because Honda wants you to rely on something called the maintenance minder system, a predictive algorithm that tells you when it's time for service, like oil changes. But how does it actually work? Maintenance Minder was first introduced in the 2005 Honda Odyssey with the purpose of tailoring maintenance schedules to how you drive. While Honda hasn't shared all the proprietary details, here's what we do know. The system uses a predictive algorithm, essentially software that uses patterns to estimate wear and degradation over time. It accounts for many factors. These factors include ambient temperature, trip length, and terrain. They also include stop-and-go driving, engine load, RPMs, and coolant temp. The more intense the driving pattern, the faster the algorithm will calculate degradation. In the NSX, it also factors in whether you're using track mode or just cruising. Fresh oil will show up with 100% life in the system. As you drive, it calculates degradation in the background. Once oil life drops to 15%, you'll get a message on the dash saying it's time to schedule service. But oil changes aren't the only thing it tracks. Maintenance Minder uses a code system. The main codes, like A and B, tell you whether you just need an oil change, code A, or a more comprehensive service, code B. Then there are numeric subcodes from 1 to 6, which point to specific tasks like air filter replacement, transmission fluid replacement, and more. The system also bundles services that are due around the same time, which means fewer trips to the shop or fewer weekends spent wrenching. This predictive algorithm system is the most common on the market. However, some manufacturers, such as Mercedes-Benz, use sensor-based systems alongside predictive algorithms. Mercedes puts sensors in the engine to measure oil properties, like dielectric strength, in real time, providing even more accurate service recommendations. So, for most drivers, it's safe to just follow what Maintenance Minder recommends. But Honda does include a note in the NC1 manual. If the system hasn't prompted you for an oil change within 12 months, go ahead and change it anyway. Thank you for watching.